Y'all, so I was looking at memes with my mom, and she said, everybody always talking about some memes. I was like, memes? I got my hair retwisted for the first time. It looks kind of crazy. I mean, not crazy. It looks nice, but it just takes some getting used to because I like bigger, fluffy hair. Totally talking crap about, what is it called? Interlocking, but I interlocked some of my hair actually, and you can see the huge difference from here to just this. Like all my roots are just super thick. Probably should not be doing this while driving. But I actually really am enjoying fully the process of interlocking. It's so fun. Like I like it so much better than twisting. And I was talking crap about just twisting my hair, but because I work out so much that my hair always comes loose. And so especially after I washed it, that retwist that I did and that retwist that the other lady did just came right out. So my roots are like super let me not say nappy, but super grown out, it looks like. You see, you can't even see my scalp. It's so afro-y. But yeah, so I did around the sides, I did the interlocking here. So you can see it looks fresher than here or like here. But I'm excited to finish the rest. I will show you later. All right, okay, Christy. Angelica's Barbie doll, or Coolio, or a fashion model, or a Who from Whoville, or Dr. Seuss. Okay. For the first time in my life. I'm so excited and so nervous. If people ask me questions, I'm gonna just stare at them and not say nothing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will like, share, comment, and subscribe.